Body weight split squat. For this exercise, you're going to stand in a lunge position. From there, we're going to put your hands on your hips and we're going to focus on tucking the pelvis underneath to get good glute activation in your trail leg glute. From there, we're going to keep the chest up tall, shoulders back and down, so we have a nice neutral or vertical spine. From there, you're going to drop that trail knee straight down towards the ground, so we have a 90-degree angle at the knee, in the front and the back. And then right back up. Straight down, straight back up. Straight down, straight back up. If you look from the anterior view, you'll notice the front knee and my width with my feet. My feet are wide enough to where I've got about shoulder width apart width to give me a good base of support so I don't lose my balance side to side. Now my front knee is going to track directly over my second and third toe, so I have good knee alignment as I descend down into my split squat. Maintaining good posture the whole way.